Step 1 is optional. Get a nice friend. Don't have any friends, so I got my dog. Step 2 is put on some music. And turn it up. Step 3, get a pretty kick-ass apron. Flour the pan. Step 5, mix your wet and dry ingredients in separate bowls. You combine them together. You mix it together. Add milk and continue mixing. And then you put it in the oven and let it bake. Yummy.